Hello everyone, on another tutorial, not exactly a tutorial. I forgot to make an introduction to Scratch before I started making Scratch tutorials. So today I'm going to give an introduction to Scratch and every block palette. I know this is going to be a long time, but let's do this. It's me, Mar. So this is the whole Scratch. So to make a Scratch account, you can search Scratch on your web browser. Then you can do join Scratch. It will give you some things. Fill in those. I'm not going to do it because I already have a Scratch account and I don't want to waste my time making another Scratch account. Yes. So once you made a Scratch account and created a new blank project, like mine, so you see all these palettes. We start from motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. My blocks is a bit of a thing. Then there's this thing and extensions. So today we're going to be using one of the extensions. If you are in the extensions palette, click pen and you get this whole new palette of blocks. So I'm just going to erase all as the first thing. So go to events, which is right here. Drag a one green click, go to pen, erase all. So what if we want to make our character move? So what if we drag in a forever loop? So forever means it will basically it'll loop around forever. Repeat, it will repeat how many times. So if you say 1,000,000, move 10 steps. Wee! You keep doing that until it repeats that many times. So what if we say go to 0, 0? Otherwise we'd be facing real problems. So drag in and if now right click on those two blocks and you get a copy, which is really nice. Thank you, Scratch. So if key space pressed. I made a video on Scratch add-ons, so copy block. There we go. So there's this copying thing in Scratch add-ons, so it was pretty useful. So right, oh god. So then left, up, down, down. This is not like very hard movement scripts like you've seen with drift patches, leminoids, with variables and all those stuff. I've done one of those because I'm a scratcher and I know these stuff. So drag in some chains X's for right arrows. I'm going to show you what they mean with the grids. So as you see is, so let me choose a backdrop, scroll down, come on load. Let's see which one. There we go. So the middle of the screen is 0, 0 as you see here. So if we change the right arrow to change x by 5 and then change x by -5. So minus is the x position of going left, but the positive is going right. So for up, we can say 5, or down, we can say -5. So then we have y position. So up is a positive number, down is basically the negative number. So as you see, wee. So what if we want to like make a stamp? Wee, 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 wee. Oh God, I'm drawing. And I think this is kind of like a 3D drawing with scratch, other than those codes where there's so many lines of code where you have to work 3 days on that, which I actually did to make my 3D game. I'm not trying to brag. So as you see, it erases all. I'm gonna erase. So since we have another costume here, so go to looks and next costume. We. But what if we duplicate that? Our Scratch Cat is running! Yay! And look at this many stamps. It looks like a 3D drawing. Mm, 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 mm. What if we change pen size by 1? Okay, not doing anything. Set pen color. What is happening? Okay, then pen down. Oh no! Oh no! Help! Well, I just filled the backdrop at least. I made a new backdrop. What if it saves then? Oh god. So that my Pong starter. We. Okay. Oh no. How do I check the pen size? Stop. Wee. Phew. No. No. What have I done? No. I think I broke it. Yeah, I broke it. Oh, phew. Wee. So now I can play around. I think I can play around with this for all day, but I think you'll get bored with me. So let's move on. So if you might be wondering, what got me into Scratch anyways? And what can you take inspiration from me? So the reason I got into Scratch is because in my school they had, since it's an online school and the programming is hard, we had to do it on Scratch. So once I started becoming comfortable with Scratch, I started learning from tutorials, and then something happened. I became good. I got motivation to make Scratch tutorials, which really surprised me. First, I was into Lego. Second, I don't know, it just came to me. Also, here's the Pong starter if you need it. I made a remix to this. Where is it? Oh, come on. I made a remix. View. Oh, I have to view all. They're doing the remixes. Come on. Okay, it's taking a long time to load, so back to the game. And so, I don't know what got me into Scratch, but I'm only 8 years old. I created my profile. I was in a hurry because my other Scratch account, my old Scratch account was in my other computer. So that's how I got into Scratch. I'd like to know your story. Also, I could show you the Pong game because I've saved on my scratch count. It's a really cool one. Anyways, Pong with start screen. Button. Sorry. Now we can play the Pong game. Oh, come on, didn't I see game over set ghost back to I just hide it. Yeah, there's still some defects. Hide it. Weep. Then so but here's the Pong game with the start. I'm gonna quickly lose. There we go. Sorry. I was testing it out. So back to this thing. So as you see, I made a beautiful drawing. Whee! I could do this all day. But then I have to show something. So change pen brightness by 1. There's also these effects. Instead of 1, what about 10,000 million transparency? Or what if we set it? We have to set it. Set pen transparency to 50. That has to be enough. For some reason, it's not working. I think I've looked at. Set one color. Okay, that's kind of it, but you can also check out my other tutorials. Oh wait, I forgot to introduce every block in Scratch. Sorry. As excited making a new project. Because I do that almost every day. So there's motion with all these blocks move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. Ah, I'm moving in a circle. Most games don't use Scratch Cat, but sometimes I like Scratch Cat. So go to random position as it goes to a random position. Mouse pointer. Whee! So it goes to a mouse pointer, tries to find X and Y. Go to that position. Glide 1 seconds to random position. Whee! Point in direction 90, point towards mouse pointer. Change X by 10. Set. Change Y. Set. If on edge bounce. It checks if it's touching the edge, then it bounces. Right? Left. Oh, don't rotate. Stop. Squats. Get. Ah, I'm moving left, right. I don't know why. Sorry. So then there's looks to change the looks, and there's events like while waves are clicking all those, and we receive an invisible message. Then there's control with all these blocks. I'll teach you later. Then there's sensing. Then there's operators. Then a bunch of maths. Then there's variables. Then there's lists, which is not listed in the block palette. And then there's blocks. Sorry. Then there's a lot of extensions with physical programming, which I have one right here. I hope you can see it, but it's the UV tree. Yes, Lego Mindstorms EV3 is good programming and I like it. I tried to explain everything as fast as I can. So now is probably the end for a tutorial, so bye.